Okay, we're going to stuff the leg in very much the same way we stuff the arm, with a little difference that's optional. If you want, you can add a little weight to the feet. Now, I am going to use some glass pellets. I happen to just store them in this plastic bottle. It makes it easier to pour them in, but that's what they look like. Most of the bear making suppliers have them. What I am going to do first, the reason I do that is it helps the bear to stand up, and it also actually helps them to sit a little nicer if there's a little bit of weight in the feet. I'm going to add just a little bit of stuffing first and get it in the toe. That's good. It's optional, first of all, to add it at all, and secondly, how much to add. But I'm just showing you how much I add. It just adds a little bit of weight to make the leg have a little weight to it. And now after we've put those in, now we're going to add stuffing. I'm going to use my stick. I'm trying to mix the stuffing up into the glass beads a bit, and that's what I'm using the stick for. Okay, and now as I'm feeling it, it's a little soft on the top. So I'm going to, let's see here, add a little bit more and guide it into that area. That's better. And now I can feel it's kind of soft here in the back of the heel. What I'm trying to do is get it stuffed firmly up to the top of the ankle. And I'm going to feel all around to make sure it's evenly stuffed. Okay. Very good. Now I'm going to insert the joint. This one is with a 1 3/4 inch disc, and I've got my awl. Look, here is the joint marking. We do this the same way we did the arm. I've got my finger on the back side here, and then I'm going to twist it. I'm doing it kind of slowly because I don't want to tear. There we go. Now I've gone through. I can feel it, the point on this side. So now I move my finger aside off here so that the awl can go through. And I'm going to twist it and slowly add pressure and guide it so that I get it. There we go. So it slowly makes a bigger hole. And that should be about the right size for this. And then make sure that you get it so that the disc is all on one side here of that middle seam. And now we're going to go back to stuffing. Now, as I'm stuffing up here, I want to make sure I get the stuffing placed in this curve of the top of the leg. Now, it's still kind of squishy. This is a little more difficult to stuff because we've got this top open. It's open like that because it was easier to turn right side out, but we'll get there. Okay, it's getting firm down here now. Okay, now what I'm going to try to do is I'm getting it stuffed up here at the top. So we're going to start closing from up here.